Okay, here I've got the ITESIER 2-pack engine and cabin air filter. So this is for my Lexus GX460 right here. It does fit a bunch of other vehicles as well, so just make sure you have the right one for your vehicle. So really cool because it's a 2-pack, so you can replace your cabin air filter and your engine air filter at the same time. You don't have to buy them separately, so save you some money there as well. So this is the old one I just took out. You see it's a bit dirty, so the new one looks to be an exact match there. Looks really nice. So really simple to change. Just pop this open, pull out the old one, and then slide the new one back on, and then clamp it back on. Really easy. Anybody can do that. Save you money if you do these yourself. And then this as well, I'll show you after that, but it's really easy to change as well. And to change this cabin air filter right here, just open your glove box, take everything out, pop this lid down here, and then you can open this. Just like that. Take this cover off, and then pull out your old air filter. So you can see, so it's not too bad, but it is time to change it, so I'll be changing that. That's what the new one looks like. You can see it has some carbon in there to help clean the air, make it fresher. So all you need to do is make sure the airflow is in the correct direction, and then slide it in. So the airflow is going to be going that way, so we shall put it up like this. You can see perfect fit right in there, and then you close everything back up. So really easy, simple, quick to do. So if you do that yourself, you'll save yourself a lot of money and time as well. So yeah, if you need some really nice air filters for your Lexus GX460 or other compatible vehicles, make sure you give these a try.